Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the VPN in your Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the more connectivity option. Click on it and there is a VPN option. Click on it. And as you see, set a script log to save your VPN option. So we need to take a PIN code. So we got it. Let's try to make a new PIN for our phone, and after that we can enable a VPN by clicking on it. Before that we need to select a VPN, so we need to write our name of our VPN, place the server address, and many more. Write the username and write the password. There is option, advanced option of the VPN, as you see. This address should be proxyexample.com. Let's say proxy example pro. Add VPN. Still we don't have a accept button, but at the bottom here. Anyway, I got the only example for the VPN, but if you have some VPN, just right hit on the add VPN, accept by this button, and you will enable a VPN and connect by your VPN to the internet. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!